Good morning. If you are new to my channel, or maybe you just clicked on this video on YouTube, hi, my name is Ronnie. I am a hiker out here in Southern California. Right now we are actually on a trail this morning. I believe it's Bonita Falls in Lytle Creek, California. So my goal with this channel right now is to show all you guys the different hiking trails in Southern California. And then the big time goal is to next year or into next summer is to go ahead and hike around the United States to show you the beauty that the United States, that this country has to offer. So with that being said, let's go on this hike. Maybe in the background you can hear, I think there's a dog over there barking, which is pretty weird. But I believe you could probably hear some of the water flowing because it flows through, kind of through this embankment, and then we'll go up. I believe, if I remember from way back in the day, I went on this hike. There is a pretty nice waterfall, really good one. So I will check in with you guys shortly, and let's go for this hike. Well, you can hear how the creek is raging right now, which is really dope from all the rain that we had here in the snow. You know, it actually helped out. So I don't really feel like getting my boots wet. So I'm probably just gonna take them off right here and just go across. Go caveman style, you know? So I will see you guys on the other side of this beautiful, beautiful creek. Let's roll. All right, well, we made it across. I didn't get swept away, so that's good. I guess Lake Day does come in handy, right? Because that river is going fast, or that creek. So let me put on these boots and we will continue to handle this trail. Let's roll. All right, everybody. So we are now across, heading into this cool little forest thing right here. So let's go on through. And depending on how good the waterfall up here is, which I'm probably sure that it's really, really coming down, I'll probably just literally just take an ice bath in this creek right here. Put my feet in my whole body, because that water feels good, like amazing. So let's travel on through, people. Let's do it. All right, so right now we're walking through this pretty rocky terrain where, as you can see, it used to be probably some sort of wash off or runoff for the water, which is pretty cool. That shows that it could get pretty dicey. Yeah, so right now the hike is pretty cool. It's again, like I always say in usually my previous videos when I judge a hike, it's just how bad you want it. But definitely with this hike in particular, definitely have some hiking boots on, some good hiking shoes, just for the simple fact that there's a lot of rocks here. So just in this area, but you know, the little edges and stuff, they tend to point up. So if you just have on like regular sneakers like Nikes or some jogging shoes or something like that, you're definitely gonna feel it when you're done hiking. You're gonna feel the pressure on the balls of your feet. So my suggestion is get some good hiking boots, and then yeah, go out and experience life. It feels so good out here, just mentally, even physically, but mostly mentally, just to get out, just to see all this beauty right here and not have to worry about all the crazy stuff and all the cringe stuff back in the cities and towns and things like that. All right, well, anyways, that was my little rant. So let's keep pushing forward. See you guys a little bit more up there. Right, it looks like we might be here, so I have to go again through all this jungle right here, in hopes nothing is in here. Definitely no bears like last week's encounter, just because we're on lower level, but still it's pretty cool that I got to see a freaking black bear in his natural habitat. So now we are just traveling through this little jungle right here. And yeah, so I will see you guys a little bit up top. Alrighty? Out of that right there. Woo. That was cool. That was cool. Now we're almost at the waterfalls up that way. So this time I will see you guys at the top. So as you can hear, we made it up here. Beautiful, beautiful. So right now, I'm about to take off my boots. And you know me, I am about to get up into the waterfall right now. That was a pretty good hike. You know, I want to check out some stuff a little bit further down. And so I was able to see that. But besides that though, the hike was beautiful. So let's go down there and get in that waterfall. Alright everybody, this is where I am going to end the video. So previously I was up in the mountains over at the waterfalls, so I decided to walk back down to the creek so I can go ahead, take my boots off for a third time and walk across this creek right here that's flowing heavily. So with that being said, thank you so much for coming with me on this really fun journey. So go ahead, subscribe please. And also hit that like button. That's gonna help out this channel a lot. And on the next one, I mean, who knows? I'll figure it out again and we will go on that one. So you guys have a great rest of your weekend and I will see you guys on the next one.